A reliable tool can make all the difference when refining wood surfaces. The best wood hand planer ensures precision, smoothness, and control, helping you shape, flatten, and finish your projects with professional results every time, whether you're a craftsman or hobbyist. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Jorgensen 4-inch wood hand planer. The Jorgensen 4-inch wood hand planer is a well-crafted and reliable woodworking tool designed for both professional carpenters and hobbyists. Its 01 tool steel blade stands out for its superior sharpness and long-lasting edge retention, allowing you to achieve smooth, precise cuts with minimal effort. The blade can be easily resharpened and adjusted, ensuring long-term usability. Constructed with a ductile iron body, this hand planer offers impressive durability and stability, making it suitable for heavy-duty projects without bending or chipping under pressure. The zinc alloy lever cap and stainless steel components add to its overall strength and longevity, ensuring a consistent and comfortable woodworking experience. One of the standout features is its adjustable design, which allows users to customize the cutting depth and mouth width with simple knob adjustments for different wood types and finishes. Compact yet powerful, this planer is perfect for trimming, polishing, and shaping wood surfaces. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, reducing fatigue during extended use. Whether you are refining furniture edges, deburring rough surfaces, or working on intricate DIY projects, the Jorgensen 4-inch wood hand planer provides the precision, control, and efficiency needed for professional quality results every time. Number 2. Saker Chamfer Quick Edge Wood Hand Planer. The Saker Chamfer Quick Edge Wood Hand Planer is designed to make woodworking tasks faster, smoother, and more accurate. This compact yet powerful tool allows users to easily eliminate sharp edges and create clean chamfers on various types of wood. Featuring multiple high-strength carbon steel blades, it delivers sharp and efficient cuts while maintaining safety through its protective black retaining edge. Even beginners can handle this planer confidently thanks to its user-friendly design and quick adjustment system. The depth control feature enables precise trimming and chamfering to match specific project requirements. What makes this planer especially convenient is the built-in horizontal and vertical bubble levels, ensuring accurate alignment and leveling for professional-looking results. Its ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, reducing strain during extended use, while the lightweight build enhances portability and maneuverability. The Saker Chamfer planer is perfect for carpenters, woodworkers, and DIY enthusiasts looking to speed up edge processing tasks without compromising on precision. Whether you're smoothing a table edge, crafting a cabinet, or finishing decorative pieces, this tool combines efficiency, control, and safety for consistently high-quality finishes. It's a practical addition to any workshop, ensuring flawless results with minimal effort and setup time. Number 3. Amazon Basics Brown Wood Hand Planer. The Amazon Basics Brown Wood Hand Planer is a dependable and cost-effective tool ideal for both beginners and experienced woodworkers. Designed with a durable cast iron body, it ensures stability and strength while minimizing vibration during use. The number 4 adjustable precision smoothing bench plane allows for accurate, fine-tuned adjustments, ensuring smooth and even finishes on wood surfaces. Its impact-resistant wooden handle with a contoured grip provides comfort and control, making it suitable for long woodworking sessions. The high-quality steel alloy blade offers clean, sharp cuts that enhance the overall precision of your projects. With an adjustable gear mechanism, users can easily modify the blade depth to achieve the desired smoothness for different types of wood. This makes it an excellent tool for planing doors, tabletops, cabinets, or any flat wooden surfaces. Compact and solidly built, the Amazon Basics Brown Wood Hand Planer is easy to handle yet powerful enough for detailed smoothing tasks. Its classic design pays homage to traditional hand tools while incorporating modern durability. Whether you're refining rough lumber or adding final touches to your woodworking piece, this hand planer delivers dependable performance and consistent results, making it a valuable addition to any craftsman's toolkit. Number 4. Amazon Basics 2-inch Wood Hand Planer. The Amazon Basics 2-inch wood hand planer is a compact yet powerful tool designed to handle precision woodworking with ease. Built from a durable cast iron body, it offers excellent stability and strength for smooth, controlled operation. The impact-resistant plastic handle with a contoured grip provides comfort and balance, ensuring fatigue-free use during prolonged projects. Its steel alloy blade delivers clean, accurate cuts, making it suitable for refining edges, smoothing surfaces, and detailed woodworking tasks. The adjustable gear mechanism allows you to fine-tune the blade depth for various applications, providing exceptional precision and control. While this planer arrives in a factory setting, users are advised to adjust it according to the manual before use for optimal performance. This ensures consistent and accurate results right from the start. Compact and easy to maneuver, the Amazon Basics 2-inch wood hand planer is an excellent choice for hobbyists, carpenters, and furniture makers looking for dependable functionality at an affordable price. It's ideal for small to medium woodworking tasks, offering a reliable, sturdy feel and smooth performance. With its straightforward design and efficient cutting ability, this planer provides the precision and comfort needed for everyday woodworking projects. Number 5. Jorgensen Ductile Wood Hand Planer. The Jorgensen Ductile Wood Hand Planer combines professional craftsmanship with user-friendly design, making it a versatile choice for woodworkers of all skill levels. Its 01 tool steel blade is engineered for high performance, providing razor-sharp precision that enhances cutting efficiency and reduces blade wear over time. The blade can be resharpened and reused, ensuring a long service life. Constructed from durable ductile iron, this planer is built to handle heavy-duty work without compromising stability. The zinc alloy lever cap and stainless steel components further enhance its strength and resistance to wear. One of its best features is the adjustable cutting depth and mouth width, easily controlled by a turn of the knob, allowing you to adapt to various wood types and finishes. The polished flat bottom ensures a smooth, even glide across the wood surface, minimizing friction and improving accuracy. Compact and portable, the Jorgensen Ductile Wood Hand Planer is ideal for trimming, shaping, and finishing surfaces in both professional and DIY projects. It includes a clear instruction manual, making setup simple even for beginners. This hand planer delivers a combination of durability, comfort, and precision that makes it a dependable companion for fine woodworking and detailed craftsmanship. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.